Hello everyone, my name is Beatrice Tristiawan. In this video, I will invite you to discuss and tell about my product. It is a service, not a goods, but I hope you enjoy with me. Okay, let me introduce first of my product. It is about service of counselor or consultation service with tarot cards as a media. So I call this service is a tarot reading service. The service is to serve people who has trouble in their life. The aim is knowing someone's problem, finding solution, and give the best way according to its card to his or her energies. Client under consciousness. I use tarot deck as a media to help people gaining their energies. Then I will tell the card means about. So for example, I will shuffle like this. Okay, and the card will tell about this. So I will tell the meaning of this card to the person. So the client will understand what happened in their life and how to solve his or her problems in their life. Not only tarot deck, sometimes I use oracle card. For example, like this oracle cards, or maybe you can use some runes like this. It is needed when you need only, not all the time. When you open the tarot cards, you will need this both two of them. Not okay. Basically, just only tarot card or one deck only is enough. Basically, I found my business due to my own ability, and I am a bit sensitive about spiritual. Next, the consumer or customer of my services usually are people who has troubles and wondering about some things, but I only serve people in minimum 17 years old. So just say it in the other way, I'm not serving children to be read. Next, let me tell you the advantages and the disadvantages of tarot reading. Let me start from the advantages first. As follows, such as you will know what happened to you in your life. Second, you will get solutions based on your energies or message from universe. Third, you can find a trusted person to share your problems with. I mean, not only your friend. Sometimes your friend give the wrong solution or just responded like, oh okay, just be patient, like that. You will get the right solution in this time. And next, you can take the advantages of the reading result to do next. I mean, like when you got the result from the tarot reading cards, you will read carefully and you can take the positive vibes to do your next positive ways. And last, we don't use any magic in our process, just gaining energies only as a pure way. Now let's talk about the advantages. It's only about 3 disadvantages, I guess. Such as so many people talk or think about that tarot reading is mystical or black magic. Second, most people think that tarot reading is not really useful for them. And the last, many people still don't take the positive result, instead of take the bad result and used to blame the reader, that the reader and that's the reader fault, not his or her own fault. I think that's three of them are the disadvantages of tarot readings. And the design elements that I use for my logo is using astrology. Next, I will post my logo after this, using astrology aspect and using purple color as the basic colors. It looks beautiful, simple, and attractive. The marketing system that I use in this business until now is still using promotion method, using my own promotion in my Instagram or other platform. Okay, I think that's all about my product introduction. I hope you enjoyed this video as well. I'm sorry if I have a mistake during I'm talking in this video, whether it is in purpose in purpose. And sorry for the inconvenience. Thank you.